Hello guys, i-flex ko nga rin ang loob. Ito yung dunang pizza. Ayan. Ayan yung hinanda ko. Ayan, malambot na guys. Ayan. Ito yung half-half. White flour and wholemeal flour. Ayan. Para healthy ang bread. Ayan guys. Mga simple ingredients ang linagay ko lang dyan. Olive oil and salt and about 100 grams of white and 100 grams of whole meal flour. Ayan, mix. Ayan, as I said, para healthy daw ang bread o pizza. Ayan guys. Ayan, paikot-ikot. Ayan, ito na yung mga ingredients. Simple ingredients as usual. Ayan, papakita ko. Yan? Cheese, tomato sauce, Italian sauce. Ayan, ang pangkaraniwan na ilinalagay ko lang sa toppings yan. Ayan na guys. Ayan, adding some linagyan ko na siya ng ham. Ayan, hindi ko na naipakita yun, pero nauna na linagay ko yan. At lastly, ayan, adding some making some cheese. Ayan, ang topping niyan, it's lang, simple. Ayan, every other day yan ang ginagawa ko. Ayan, it's only simple. Ayan, every morning, bread. Ayan, ang alternative na trabaho ko, pizza, one day in the morning, and pizza again, burger. Ayan, lang yan. Every other day na, yan. Alternative na trabaho ko yan. Ayan, it's almost ready to eat na guys. Ayan, yummy, yummy. Let's try na guys. Ayan, ang importante nito yung bread. Ayan, may bread ka na isi-serve para sa kanila. At sasamahan ng hindi ko pala naipakita yung itlog. Ayan, ang aking routine. Ayan, simple work. Ayan, kung paano tayo kumita ng pera dito sa abroad. Ayan na guys, ang aking portion. Ayan, at look at this. Ayan, pasado naman ang aking luto. Ayan, simple breakfast as I said. Ayan, salamat. Ayan, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comments.